be extracting the information. Whenever we are using this Python regular expression, the first or foremost thing we have to do is that we have to recognize that everything is a character. Okay, we need to recognize that everything, whatever it is there, everything is a character. And we are writing patterns to match a specific sequence of characters. So which are also these specific sequence of characters are also referred as string ASCII or Latin letters. Okay, those are also called as string ASCII, string dot ASCII, or else Latin character also we can call them. So these characters will be including digits, that means numbers, okay, and punctuations, and also some of the special characters like hash, dollar, at the rate, okay, uh, at the rate, exclamation mark, percentile, all the special symbols, all these are considered as the characters only. Okay, here in this regular expressions, all the digits, punctuations, special characters, everything is considered as a character only in the regular expression. So we can see here the example over here. So this is the example for us. So this code will be defining as the regular expression pattern actually. Okay, this regular expression pattern, uh, in this pattern it is having 5 letter string, and this 5 letter string that is starting with A and ending with S. Okay, it is starting with A and ending with S. Okay, so the pattern which is defined using regular expression, so it will be used to match against the other strings, that will be used to match the other strings actually. So you can see here in the table how we are matching. And so first, in the first string you can see here it is started with A and the string ended with S, but there are only 3 letters in that. Okay, but here the pattern which we have given is 5 letter string, so that's why it is not matched. Next one, in the second one you can see, in the second one it is matched because it is starting with A and ending with S, and there are 5, it is a 5 letter string. And in the third one also you can see, third one also starting with A ending with S, and it is a 5 letter string, so that's why it is matched. So in the next one you can see, fourth one, so it is starting with A but it is started with the capital letter A. So but in the pattern we have given the small letter A, right? So it also makes a difference, so that's why it is not matched. Next one also you can see, so it is started with capital A, that is one reason, and another one reason is it is not the 5 letter characters. Okay, that's why it is also not matched. So in the Python actually, we will be having a module which is named as RE. So we are having the module called as RE. So this module is used for working with the regular expressions. For working with the regular expressions, we require the particular module, RE module. So here we can, you can see the program code, small code, code of example for the explanation of the above matching strings. Okay, firstly what we need is that firstly we need to import the RE module. Okay, we are trying to import RE module, then only we can use the functions, whatever the functions we can use, which are related to the regular expressions, we can use them in the code. So here in this particular code what we are doing is we are using re.match. So the function which is called as re.match, so that particular function we are using to search the pattern within the test string, the strings. Okay, to test the strings. Okay, if that particular one is matched, okay, if the object if the object is matched, search object is successful, then the method will be written as uh, match, or else it will be returning as none. Okay, so along with the rematch, you can see here, rematch is a function which we are using in this particular code. Along with that, we are having several other functions that are defined in this RE module. So this for working with the regular expressions. So next one we are having is that specific pattern, specific pattern using the regular expression. So here to specify regular expressions, we will be using the meta characters. Okay, we'll be using the meta characters. In the first example, you can see here in this example, starting example, that caret symbol and dollar symbol. You can see over there. So the caret symbol and dollar symbol are the meta characters. Those are the meta characters. So these meta characters are considered as the basic building blocks of these regular expressions. We can consider them as the basic building blocks for the regular expressions. So these meta characters will be having a special meaning. So each and every character has a special meaning in finding the patterns and are mostly useful to define the search criteria. What is the search criteria? And if we want to perform any text manipulations, it will be very useful for us. So here you can see some of the list of meta characters: square brackets, period, caret, dollar, asterisk, I mean star, plus, question mark. These are all the some of the list of the meta characters actually. Okay. So we'll be discussing about each and every one individually. First one is about we are having is about the square brackets. So these square brackets are used to specify a set of characters that we wish to match, that we want to match, whatever we want to match. So it will be specifying the set of characters actually. So here you can see in the square brackets we have mentioned ABC. So there will be matching if the matching with the string. Okay, if the string we are trying to match contains any of the letters, either A, B, C, either any of the letters is containing, then it will say as a matched. Okay, you can see here in the first line, you can see in the first one. So if when we match with the first string, only one letter is there, that's why it is mentioned as one match. In the next string we are having two characters, that's why it is mentioned as two matches. In the next we doesn't have any match. So in the next third, in the next last one, you can see how many: A, B, C, again C, A. We are having totally five matches, five letter set of characters we are having. Okay. So here, if we want to specify the range of the characters, so we can do that by using the hyphen symbol. Okay, inside the square brackets, hyphen symbol we can mention. You can see here. So for here you can see A to E is similar to the A, B, C, D, E, and the similarly 1 to 4 is same as the 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 39. So that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 39. So it is similar. Okay. So along with that, we can have the we can also have the complement, which is called as the invert, which is also called as the invert. That is a caret set by using the character set by using caret symbol at the starting of the square brackets. Okay, starting at the square brackets, we are mentioning that. So that means here when we mention here the caret symbol at the starting of the starting of the square brackets, that means that any character except, in this example, ABC, except ABC, any character can be available. Okay. And here also any non-digit character. In the second one, any non-digit character, that means except the symbols, anything can be there, either characters, either letters or special symbols. Okay. Next one we are having is about the period. Okay, this which is used for matching any single character except new line. Okay, any single character except the new line. So in the period you can see here only here in this we have mentioned two characters. We have mentioned only one character is there, that's why it is matched, no match. In the next one two characters are there, it is matched. Here also two characters, any two characters we can take, that's why it we one match it has mentioned. Here four characters it is containing, so two matches will be available for us. So next one is about the caret symbol. So this caret symbol is used to check if any string starts with a certain character or not, the character which you mentioned or not. So you can see our examples. So in the first one, it is starting with A, so that's why match. In the second one also starting with A, it is match. Next one it is started with B, so it is no match. Next one also it is started with A, so it is here in the next one, in the expression we have given AB. Till here it is for A only. Next one we have given the pattern as AB. So here first two started with AB, that's why it is matched. In the next one started with A but doesn't follow with the B. That's why it is no match for that. So next one we are having is the dollar symbol actually. So this dollar symbol is used to